Hi, I'm Tony Svine, Hillside Christmas Tree Farm. Today I want to work on kind of setting up our retail space. So last year was the first year we had our retail space in quite some time. And when I was putting stuff on the shelves, they're pretty narrow and they're kind of flimsy and they would sag. The actual shelves would actually sag with the amount of stuff I had, and the spacing and things weren't quite right. And I felt some wasted space because we had like little partitions with angles that didn't utilize the space very well. So today I want to kind of redo that. One thing that I did like is that we had some hardware cloth that we used to hang the ornaments on, kind of as sections. So I was going to keep that probably in the front and in the back. Another thing that we wanted to address was storage for our extra inventory. So when I built this bottom half, I made it big enough to put some big totes where I can keep my extra trees, maybe my snowmen and reindeer kind of in the off season, put everything off to the side and store it because, this is a barn in the off season. During the thing, we have the tractors in here. We do a lot of work, a lot of dust, make all that stuff dirty. So, yeah. So what I decided to do this year was get these little heavier duty channel and shelving units. They have a double piece, and then they have a piece that goes across the top that hang. You can bolt them to the studs, and they should provide and get a little better mounting brackets and shelving. So hopefully that'll really sturdy things up. I can get them in different widths. So depending on the size of the things that I'm going to display, we can go that route. So that is the plan today. In general, we have these two here as kind of small retail items. That last little corner over here is going to be all the apparel and merchandise. And yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. All right, if you follow along. You ready? Come on this side. hold it. All right, I'm gonna let go. Put it sideways, maybe so it's wider. There you go. Got it? Okay. All right. Let me get level. Right there, okay. All right, do you think I'm good or not? What do you think? I think I'm good. I think I'm good too. Perfect. All right, Mia, I'm done. You're good. Good with the stickers? Done? Perfect. All right, and there we have it. So we set up the structural side of this stuff. I don't have the shelves, I don't have the bracketry yet, but now that I have it laid out, one thing that I have is a nice live edge piece of oak that I want to split a little bit, make a shelf across here, again, probably all the way down, and for the reindeer snowmen, and then I'll add the shelves in this area where I see fit. So, all right, so the next video I'll probably have the shelves. I'll kind of finish this up and show you what it looks like toward the end. All right, thanks for watching.